Oh, that is cute. Stop playing with her. Cute, cute, cute. Period. Welcome back to Nicole's Crafty Corner, Chic Organics. Today I want to bring you a quick tutorial on how to make these very unique two-tone scrunchies. This is a simple, cute project that you can make in about 10 minutes. They're super cute, so go ahead and grab your supplies and let's get started. For supplies, I used two different color cotton yarn, scissors, a hair tie or elastic band, a yarn needle, and a 4.0 millimeter hook. Start with a slip knot, and then you're going to be crocheting single crochets around your hair tie or your elastic. I'm placing 45. You can place as many as you want. The more single crochets you have around your elastic band, the more ruffly it will be. The less single crochets you have, the more wavy it'll be. Once you have your desired number of single crochet, go ahead and slip stitch into that first single crochet. I ended up with 50. Chain 3. And for this next round, we'll be working into the back loops only for the entire round. You're going to slip stitch into the very next back loop of the next single crochet, chain 3, slip stitch into the back loop of the next single crochet, chain 3, slip stitch into the next back loop of the single crochet, and you'll do that all the way around. You'll be chaining 3 and then slip stitching into the back loop of the next single crochet. At the end of round 2, go ahead and chain 3, and then you're going to slip stitch into that first loop that you made. Okay, for round 3, you're going to chain 3, and then in the next space, you're going to single crochet. Chain 3, single crochet. And you'll do this all the way around, single crocheting into those loops that you made from the previous round. All right, go ahead and chain 3 and single crochet all around, and I'll meet you at the end of round 3. Okay, for our next round, we'll be working into these front loops that we created by working into the back loop. So you see all of these loops here, we'll be working there. Okay, so go ahead and choose any front loop, put your hook under like that. Go ahead and pull in your new color, just like that. And then chain 3, 2, 3. So for this round, again, you'll be working into these front loops. You're going to basically do the same thing you did in round 2. You're going to go under the next loop, front loop, and then you're going to slip stitch. Chain 3, go into the next loop, and slip stitch. You'll do that all the way around. Don't go too tight, otherwise it'll be very hard for you to get under the next loop if you crochet too tight. I will meet you at the end of this round. Remember, chain 3 and then slip stitch under that loop. All right, we are coming to the end of this round. We're going to chain 3, slip stitch into the next, chain 3 again, and then we're going to slip stitch into that first loop that we made with our new color. And for our last round, we are going to chain 3, and then we're going to single crochet into the next loop. Chain 3, and then we're going to single crochet under this next loop, the loops that we made from the last round. And you're going to do that all the way around. We are coming up to our last stitch. We're going to chain 3, single crochet into our last stitch. Then we're going to fasten off and weave in our ends. And that is it. And now you have a super cute two-tone scrunchie. And you can kind of move these any way you want to give it whatever kind of look that you want. And oh, that is cute. Stop playing with her. Cute, cute, cute. Period. Thank you so much for watching. Look, my nail came off. Ghetto. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, here it is. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial, which will be really soon. Bye. Look at this model. You better look back at it, girl.